Okay, welcome back mga bossing. Dito muna tayo sa Balbas Malakas. May iilan na nag-comment nito o nag-request. Hindi ko na lang maalala kung ano yung pangalan nung nag-request. Sino daw ba ang mas malakas? Si Kohaku o si Rindaman? Ayan, medyo nagkaroon ako ng interest sa tanong na to dahil parehong malakas tong karakter na to. Kaya eto tayo, sisilipin natin. Walang nakasulat kung sino ang malakas sa dalawa na to. Pero may mga video tayo na pwedeng panoorin at mga iilang nakasulat na pwedeng pagbasihan kung sino ang mas makakalamang sa dalawa na to. Alam ko na may bias kayo sa dalawa na to. Normal naman yun. Yung meron kayong favorite syempre, di ba? Halimbawa, pinili ko si Rindaman. Yung mga makakohaku, kokontra yan. Kapag pinili ko naman si Kohaku, yung mga makarindaman, kokontra yan syempre. At normal naman yun. Lalo na walang patunay dahil hindi sila naglaban. So titingnan lang natin at magbe-base na lang tayo sa mapapanood natin at sa ilang mga pwedeng basahin tungkol sa kanila. Pero wag kayong wag kayong mag-aaway dyan sa comment section ha. Gusto ko lang din marinig kung sino para sa inyo ang mas makakalamang sa dalawa na to. I-comment nyo lang dyan kung sino at bakit. Siyempre hindi pwedeng fanboy ka lang. Kailangan ipaliwanag mo kung bakit. Para paniwalain kami na mas nakakalamang yung bet mo. Ganun lang po kasimple mga boss ha. Walang mag-aaway. Okay? Tara, silipin na natin to. G, kay Rindaman muna tayo.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6.
Puro bitin kasi yung mga laban ni Rindaman sa live action no? Hindi tuloy natin makita kung gaano siya kagaling. Kalakas. Yun lang yung nakikita natin, yung lakas. Pero yung galing niya talaga sa laban, hindi natin makita dahil yun nga, palaging bitin lang sa live action. Ito naman, tingnan natin tong anime. Anime o cartoons ba to? Parang cartoons lang Ito yung laban niya kay Boya Harumichi.
Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my...
So ayan lang po yung mga clip natin kay Rindaman. Wala na pong iba. Tingnan naman natin yung fighting prowess ni Rindaman. Basahin natin. Ayon dito mga boss, si Rindaman ay sobrang matibay at malakas. Yun lang, wala siyang skill. Malakas at matibay lang talaga. At si Rindaman po ang pinakamalakas sa Kraus World. No doubt, walang duda yan. Hindi po si Boya Harumichi dahil minsan lang nakatabla si Boya. Tabla pa ha, hindi niya talaga tinalo kasi tumba din siya eh. At once lang yon. Si Rindaman 2 beses nanalo kay Boya. Okay, kay Kohaku naman tayo mga boss. Silipin muna natin yung mga fighting scene ni Kohaku. Ito, medyo maraming fighting scene si Kohaku.
Go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
At ayan naman po ang mga laban ni Kohaku. Panoorin nyo ng maigi yung galawan ni Rindaman at ang galawan ni Kohaku. Pati yung lakas makikita mo din dito. Napakalakas din ni Kohaku. Sa mga laban na to, parang hindi ko nakitang nagkaroon ng bugbog sa mukha si Kohaku. Ewan ko kayo kung nakita nyo, pero ako, wala akong nakita na nabugbog si Kohaku. Palaging siya yung nambubugbog. Hindi po si Kohaku ang pinakamalakas sa high and low. Si Takeru Amamiya po ang pinakamalakas sa high and low. Ang kaso, patay na po siya. Kaya si Kohaku na ang pinakamalakas ngayon. Ngayon naman, bago ko ipaliwanag yung tungkol kay Rindaman at kay Kohaku, pipili na muna ako. Ako para sa akin malinaw na malinaw, hindi ako magdadalawang isip o mahihirapang pumili. Si Kohaku ang mas malakas sa dalawa na to. Para sa akin para sa akin lang naman. Ewan ko para sa inyo. Kasi sa galawan pa lang, napakabilis, napakagilas gumalaw ni Kohaku. Si Rindaman, medyo bulky, mabagal siya kumilos, na malakas. Si Kohaku, mabilis, skilled, na malakas. Paano makakatama ang malakas na Rindaman sa mabilis na Kohaku? Pansinin niyo yung galawan. Parang sa boxing lang din naman yan Mahirap patamaan yung magilas gumalaw. Napakataas ng agility at evasion ni Kohaku. At the same time, malakas, kagaya ni Rindaman. At matibay din. Matibay din naman si Rindaman, as in matibay talaga at napakalakas talaga. Pero paano mananalo ang isang Rindaman sa isang Kohaku? Kaya kung maglalaban sila, malabong manalo si Rindaman kay Kohaku. Para sa akin to, yun yung nakikita ko. Ewan ko sa nakikita nyo. Ngayon, yung nakikita nyo, comment lang dyan sa comment section natin kung para sa inyo, sino ang mananalo at bakit. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung at bakit. Hindi ko na tinignan yung part na ang nakalaban ni ganito, sila ganyan, ang nakalaban ni ganyan, sila ganito. Tinignan ko talaga sa galawan mismo. Doon pa lang makikita mo na. Okay mga boss, yun. Si Kohaku ang para sa akin. Yung para sa inyo, comment down below. Let's go! At maraming salamat nga pala sa panonood, sa matinding suporta. Salamat po sa lahat. Okay, shoutout muna tayo ng konti mga bossing. Shoutout kay Dave Panganiban at kay Ruben Maravillas from Palawan. Shoutout din kay Chester Lee Lorezo at kay Krishna Dasi Ariola. Ayan, washout po sa'yo, Bossing Krishna. Babae pala to, babae. Washout din po kay Kapul N. Samar at kay Alex Salsas. Tama ba to? Washout din kay John Rolo Logroño. Washout din kay Franz Luis N. Fortit from Pampanga. Kapampangan niya siguro ini, Kerakalan. Washout din kay Brad Smir Muhammad at kay Daisy Merano Federico. Daisy Merano Federico. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo mga boss. At ganun din kay John Dave Pamisa, kay Stacy Ruby Alanik at kay Richard Peralta. Washout sa iyo, bossing. At kay Astro Bora, kay San Rafael, kay Jeboy Bedoy from San Rafael, Iloilo. Basahin ko lang tong tanong na to. From Rodrigo Dagohoy Jr. Idol Balbas, may tanong ako. May possible ba na maging leader si Tatsuya sa Hausen? Kasi napanood ko po yung Crow Zero and natalo si Taiga kay Genji. Okay, sige. Kung ang tinatanong mo, kung naging leader si Tatsuya ng Hausen. Opo, naging leader po siya. Naging leader si Tatsuya ng Hausen. Kaso kaya hindi na po siguro na ipalabas yung katuloy nun kasi rest in peace na po yung gumanap ng Tatsuya sa Hausen noong July 18, 2020. Pumanaw na po siya sa edad na 30 kasi rest in peace na po yung gumanap na Tatsuya. Okay, balik shoutout. Washout kay Ethan Mendoza, kay Chester Brois, at kay Joel Bakay. Washout din kay Kim Velasquez, at washout din kay Shanks, kay Joel Pongan, kay John Anthony Saludes o Saludes. So ayun, hanggang dito na lang po muna yung mga washout natin mga boss. Kita-kits ulit sa next video. Bye-bye!